Hi, I'm George. Today I'm gonna show you my banana plant tour. My banana plants growing inside in this time of year. Now it is in February and I did not show you so long time my banana plants. They doing great. Don't worry, they looking great, and just I will show you all of my banana plants received to selling. So I will show you in this video, and I want to show you this one monkey. I have monkey, not only banana plants, so that's it. And one baby growing there from this is Cavendish banana plant, and it is fat, this amazing, just I'm so excited about it. Amazing. I did replanted it some weeks ago, and it is just not growing, and this time just to wait for grow, so we'll see. I will post pictures on my Instagram, so stay tuned. Now let's see my banana plant that growing up to the ceiling. That is crazy, that growing so fast, and I am so excited. I cannot wait. I look forward to come the spring and plant it in the garden. And look at it, just growing another leaf, as you can see there. I have to cut them, unfortunately, because it is shading there, as you can see. And that's it, what to do. It have 5 leaves, and it's beautiful. This leaf is nice, so nice, this banana plant. It is so fat, the trunk. Amazing, this, just look at it, so beautiful. And there was grow one baby, but banana plant decided to dry it, and the spring will grow. We will see. This banana plant, it is Musa hybrid, and it is most huge banana plant that I have in my house. And another banana, it is Musa hybrid too, and it is young and growing new leaf there, as you can see. And the summertime will grow a lot. So waiting to grow, so that's it. And the orchid is in bloom, very nice, yeah, as you can see. And there I wanted to show you this beauty. It is Cavendish. I got from one friend, and looking fantastic. And last winter 2018 year, it just did look very bad, this plant, and it was in reanimation. I did save it, as you remember or not, I do not know, but now doing very well, and amazing growing. Beautiful, this one. And it had babies. I did remove them and planted in another containers. Let's see. I separated them and just planted in these containers, so hope they will grow, all of them, we'll see. So stay tuned. Another banana plant, Helen, that I have, and this one did grow in the summertime on the roadside, so it's growing slowly compared to that growing up to the ceiling, because in this room it is more cool than in my room, and that's it growing another leaf there. It grew one leaf and another one started to grow, as you can see there, so waiting to grow. Another beauty, this is so beautiful. It have 3 leaves and they are big, as you can see, very beautiful. This is new, and look, fantastic, great. Look forward to come the spring and plant them in the garden again. This is Musa Orinoco, and it is very healthy, so green color on the leaves, as you can see. Amazing, just. It have 3 leaves and 1 growing. Yes, beautiful. This is looking not so good. Anyway, another banana plant, Helen's hybrid, that growing inside, and in the springtime I will grow it outside in the garden. All time it grow inside and looking so small and do not grow so huge, and I want to grow huge. Just we'll wait for spring. And this is last banana plant that I show you in this episode. It is so beautiful and they grow big. It is so beautiful leaf was grow there, as you can see. Look at these leaves, so nice color. Very beautiful. And this banana plant is from 2018. Did grow sucker and I did let it to grow, and after that I did separated it. And so looks like. In my back is hibiscus and a big Christmas cactus. Very nice. And so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Have an amazing day. Greetings from Moldova. See you next time. If you like, subscribe to my channel and put like, and that's it. Bye.